So Krishna, giving out mercy, that's not his job. He delegates that to his representatives, Sakshat Hari. The representatives are the gurus, the acharyas, the mahajans, mahajanacharyas. So they are known as Kripa Shakti Murti. So the Vaishnava, his characteristic is he's very merciful, right? That's the nature of Vaishnavas. Now, if you're the greatest Vaishnava, because it says that Shiva is the greatest Vaishnava, because he worships Lord Sankarshan, Lord Vishnu, Vishnu worshipping Vishnu. So Shiva is worshipping Sankarshan, Shiva is worshipping Sankarshan, Ananta Shesh. So he's the greatest Vaishnava, therefore that means he must have the greatest mercy, Kripa. So that's 2 points. Now, another characteristic of Lord Shiva, particularly or specifically Lord Shiva, he has one name which you know quite well, is Ashu Tosh. He's easily Tosh. He's easily satisfied. So now just imagine, you have someone who's really wealthy, he's really generous, and it's easy to please him. So naturally, everybody will be knocking on his door. Someone else may be very, very wealthy, but and also generous, but hard to please. He says, yeah, I'm willing to give you money, but you have to do something. So you have to do this and that and this and that, meet all the criteria and meet all the demands, and then you get the money. But Shiva's got the money, and he freely gives it, easily. So what a perfect situation we have here, is that this is Shivratri, and it's very pleasing to Krishna when we honor his devotee, and just by doing this austerity, he will bless us with this great fortune that we can get free from false ego, which means false identity. And we can realize who we really are. That I'm not a Punjabi. I'm not an American. I'm a blissful, eternal spirit soul, eternal servant of Krishna. I have my own sarup, nitya sarup, nitya kalevaram, nitya deha, or siddhadeha, perfect spiritual form by which I will serve Krishna in the spiritual world, Paravyam, Vaikuntha.